Hello guys. In this video, you will see how to connect database with MySQL, MySQLI, MySQLI Object and PDO methods. Here I have a database PHP_test and products table inside this with some data. These are my MySQL connection variable host, user, password, and database name. Let's get started. First, start with the simple and old MySQL method that is deprecated right now and not secure enough to use currently. The database connection is working fine. Let's fetch some data from the database. Check the number of rows we are getting is more than 0. We are successfully getting records from the database. Let's use the second method now. MySQLI connect with a simple method. It is almost same as the first method. Only have few changes. First, you need to add database name as a fourth parameter in connect function. You don't need to select the database in this method. Now let's fetch some data from the database with this. In this method, you need to pass two variables in the query. First database connection variable and second SQL statement. All the other things will be same. Just change the MySQL text to MySQLI. Next is MySQLI Object Method. This method is different from other two methods. You need to create MySQLI object here with your connection variables inside it. You can check the connection error like this. Now for fetching data from the database. You need to write SQL statement. You can execute the query like this in OOPS style. For printing data, you need to write code like this. It is working fine. Now the last method is the PDO method. This method is used with the OOPS concepts. Use try and catch exceptions. Make a new PDO object with your connection variables inside it. Set an attribute for error mode. In catch exception add die function for your database connection errors. That's it. For fetching data from the database, write SQL statement. Then in this method, you have to execute your query differently. First, you need to prepare your database with prepare query. After that, you can execute the query that like this. Then you need to fetch data with the fetch query. You can display data with the for each loop. It's working fine. Here is the for database connection methods. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.